for a moment. Dude, I'm a shogun, focused on an open case and I close it. Supposed to rock, had it loaded and cocked. No, not as alright. I need a code to the lock so that it's lower than not. Just but we float to the top of the surface, perfectly serving the purpose. Hemoglobin's curdling slow like a tortoise. My wood is bone, it's like potent and samples. No one deserves it, but still a loop. It's stupid old group and my crew will seduce it and work it. Organize, bang the organ and cry. Put it aside and when it's right, we'll toss it into your car. Causing the critics to lie to themselves, hiding the wells and sitting silently decide. But I'm just trying to help settle scores like warriors, born with torches in and bring a force so enormous it'll scorch through your shores. Open the doors, matadors, it's a 4-minute war. Heart to the core from the land, skies, oceans and shores.
West Coast syntax, underground hip-hop artist. We be the hardest. West Coast syntax, underground hip-hop artist. We be the hardest. West Coast syntax, underground hip-hop artist. We be the hardest. West Coast syntax, underground hip-hop artist. We be the hardest.
I hear you rapping with agony, faces all burgundy. What's the matter, you mad at me? Dream about serving me? Or just Syntax Academy, daddy baddest vocab in the galaxy or the sky, the sea hotter than Mexicali be. Hand it to me and I'll hand it back to the beat. And add a rap that'll have you running like Adam and Eve. Let that means no battling me. You'll catch a slap to the face of your pride beyond your belief. Oh, get it now, but the getting's good. Figured I wouldn't, figured I couldn't, but could. Sitting in some volcanic ash on my foot and the magma splashes my dreads. I can't imagine my mansion, I know Mount Shasta's my bed. You do the dance of the dead and I'll sing the song of the living. When the clouds turning red overhead, the passion is driven. It's even Steven from here to the friggin' valley that's hidden. I really hope that you dig it. Not perfect, only for